Hello my fellow eggheads, my name is Liz. Today we're going to go over how to enable dock support on battery on your Dell and your BIOS settings. But anyway, let's get on to the repair.
So I'm going to hit power and then immediately start tapping on F2 to enter the BIOS settings, just like so. And then on the screen it will tell you that it's entering BIOS. And then once it has loaded it, then I'm going to navigate down here to the power management settings. And then in the power management settings, I am going to go to dock support on battery, and then I'm going to check the box, dock support on battery. Then after that, I'm going to hit the apply button. And once you hit the apply button, then you are safe to exit because it is now saved. And it's just that simple.
If you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.